Australian made, Australian owned and operated. Over 70 years of gate manufacturing experience, producing gates of the highest quality in Albury, New South Wales. Murray gates are the real heavyweights in Aussie-made gates. When your standard gates just aren't up to it and the stock's putting pressure on them, consider a Murray extra heavy duty gate made out of 350 grade 32mm nominal bore high tensile pipe, galvanised inside and out. Murray gates are up to the challenge. When you add a gate mat made out of 5mm wire prior to galvanisation with 100 by 150mm aperture, you're talking about a really solid gate with lots of durability. The gate frame is notch welded, which increases the weld surface area and makes for one exceptionally strong gate. So next time you're dealing with heavy stock, buy Australian. Buy the Murray N-Stay extra heavy duty gate. Murray gates are proudly manufactured on the banks of the Murray River in Australia. Murray manufacture gates up to 6 metres in length in a range of design. And if they don't make something you want, give them a call. They can sort you out.